in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a superfood in the form of a plátano. Hola, courageous ones. Did you know that plátanos were a superfood? I didn't know that. ¿Tú sabías eso? La primera vez que lo oigo. They're rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamins A, B, 6, C. Easiest one too. But how do I cook a plantain, Rose? Glad you asked. Today's video, my good friend Mercedes is going to show us how to make tostones so you can bring a Puerto Rican adventure to your kitchen table. Mercedes is from Arecibo, which is on the northern coast of Puerto Rico. However, most of her family lives there, and her brother lost the entire first floor of his house due to Hurricane Maria. Luckily, they have 3 mattresses on the second floor that they're able to sleep on and a roof over their heads. And they're lucky because there's so many people in Puerto Rico who lost so much more. So that's why I have a link to the Hispanic Federation. I'm asking for your help in bringing relief to millions of Americans who are now living in disastrous conditions after Hurricane Maria. And I'm not talking about disaster like your mother says your room is a disaster. We're talking no water, no electricity, and agriculture wiped out. If you've already donated, or don't have access to your checkbook right now, no problem. Just share this video on Twitter or Facebook with your friends so that we can all help our fellow Americans in Puerto Rico live a better story in the face of this disaster. Thank you so much for your generosity. All right, now let's give you what you came here for. You want to learn how to make tostones, twice fried plantains. Take it away, Mercedes. By the way, Mercedes did not want to be seen on camera. How you make tostones. How can you beat something that's fried twice? Thank you for sharing the video to support hurricane relief. Take care and I'll see you next week. In the meantime, live a better story. ABC, plátanos. Enough, we don't want to edit forever.